I agree about the power dynamic that is associated with race, definitely. I don't think that white people can say that black people or other races are racist towards them because of that power dynamic. I think that reverse racism thing is not at all applicable. I think it's something that's been made up recently to justify other people feeling uncomfortable with how they get certain privileges, maybe I might use that word in there, maybe. And yeah, I think that the whole race discussion is really interesting, and it's very vast because there are lots of different ways that people do view it. And actually what we're doing here right now is breaking it down. We're looking at each part of it so that people can then also get a fairer understanding, maybe a broader understanding of, I don't know the words to use, how we just get lost in it and not really view it properly. Am I making sense?
Yeah, I think when we begin the discussion with the power of the written word, or the power of stories and the power of narrative, like it underlays why race as a social construct is so powerful, because these are ultimately stories that are told by figures or apparent figures of authority in any given culture that we see, maybe wrongfully so, these players in the design of what we call a social racial construct, but these are all actually just stories that are told and woven into kind of public consciousness that is accepted. And I think the power of narrative, again, that the perception of what racism is, it's a power dynamic, and it can't be done on an individual basis, and unless it kind of impact negatively and so we talk about fear, discrimination, prejudices as opposed to racism, because it's only people that come from a white power structure or a European power structure that can kind of exist in that place of privilege. And I just think it's interesting when you look at
that privilege,
how they may view discrimination and prejudice towards them for whatever reason, which is justified,
and place it in the same
and
category.
put it in the same category.